How to fix Google Play service for AR require it unable to start experience. Please install or update Google Play service for AR and relaunch this experience. For solving this problem, go to Google Chrome, search for Google Play service, tap on first link Google Play service, tap on update. Now go back. Now search for Google Play service for AR. Tap on Google Play service for AR. Update if available any update version. I hope that you fix Google Play service for AR required unable to start experience. Please install or update Google Play service problem. Thanks for watching.